Teachers and beloved colleagues. I am Mr. Subhashish Ganguly, third year DBMA student of Shri Krishna Biotechnic College. Today I am like to focus about a biosalt that is ferrous phos. The name of ferrous phos is actually ferrous phosphate. It is found in hemoglobin of the RBC and it attracts oxygen from the air we inspired and circulate it throughout the body to all cells. So if any deficiency occurs in the amount of iron salt, that is ferrous phos, this generally percentage of hemoglobin will decrease. As a result, anemia will be observed. Sign and symptoms of anemia will observe. So ferrous phos can be applied in all iron deficiency anemia. Number two, if ferrous phos carries oxygen and it transmits to all over the body, when the deficiency occurs in ferrous phos, the all individual cells don't find enough supply of oxygen. As a result, there arises some symptoms like fatigueness, tiredness, exhaustion, loss of appetite, loss of concentration, etc. So ferrous phos will be the ultimate one of these remedies. When iron deficiency arises, blood had to be circulated very quickly. As blood has to supply all over the body with the limited source of iron. This can only be done when rate of blood circulation is very high. When rate of the blood circulation is very high, according to rule of first law of thermodynamics, heat will be generated, and this heat is nothing but fever. So all febrile conditions, whatever the cause of the fever, it may be cold of cough or cough, it may be diarrhea, whatever the cause of the fever, in any early stage of all febrile symptoms, ferrous phos will be the ultimate choice. When iron deficiency occurs, blood has to be transmitted very quickly. As a result, when blood circulation rate is very quick, into a particular part of the body, a redness will be appears. In the high rate of blood circulation, some capillary may leak some fluids into the interstitial place. As a result, swelling occurs. The swelled tissue may press against some nerve, cause some pain. So fever occurs, redness occurs, swelling occurs, and also pain occurs. All these things are the framework of inflammations. So in all first stage of inflammatory disease, whatever the place of the inflammation, it may be appendicitis, it may be bronchitis, it may be pneumonia, it may be tonsillitis, whatever the position of that inflammation does not matter. Ferrous phos will activate as a first choice of first stage of inflammation when no exudation forms. Ferrous phos may cause toughness of the muscular membranes of the capillary wall. If iron deficiency occurs, the muscular fibers of the capillary wall become relaxed. It is expanded, and the expanded muscular wall of artery may accumulate blood. More excess of blood is accumulated within the artery. As a result, this condition is called congestion. This condition is called hyperemia. In high rate of blood circulations, the artery will face enough pressure. In its high pressure cooker situation, artery may rupture, apoplexy can occur, and as a result, hemorrhage can be seen. So in all stage of hemorrhage, whatever it may be nose bleeding, it may be blood from the diarrhea, it may be blood from the cough, whatever it is the reasons. If blood comings, that is hemorrhage occurs, ferrous phos will be the ultimate choice. And if there is any wounds and cut exists in our body, ferrous phos 3x medicine should be grinding and should be applied over the cut surface, because iron phosphate has the property of coagulation of the blood by keeping the fibrins as a net. The amount of ferrous phos plays an important role in the toughness of the muscular membrane. If the intestine membrane be relaxed, in the deficiency of iron phosphate, the muscular membrane of the intestine wall, that is wall of the villi, be relaxed. If it may be expanded, as a result, peristaltic movement will be very high. As a result, a diarrhea can be result. So whatever it is, it may be used, it can be used in case of diarrhea also. The throbbing headache, which is a much more symptom of ferrum phos. If any headache present, the type of headache is throbbing due to oversupply of blood to our head. The throbbing headache, which is ameliorated by the application of cold. In this situation, ferrum phos of is ultimate word. And with last word, I can think that we have to see the ferrum phos patient. Ferrum phos patient will not be the healthier like me. It is very thin. The patient is very anemic. The patient looks like lack of red blood cells, emaciations and pale body color. It is observed. And any type of disease or problem which aggravates on motions and ameliorated in cold application, this is the most important symptoms of ferrum phos. So ferrum phos is a biochemic first aid. Whatever the case of the disease, if any disease onset randomly, suddenly, at first, any symptoms arise, suddenly any symptoms upset, and that situation, ferrum phos will be the ultimate choice. So it is nothing but a biochemic first aid remedy. Thank you very much.